it's the Colt 295A from the trade. I've just had to check low power because I've forgotten it was the A version. So we've set that to 400 milliwatts just this second. So let's see whether we've got Mr Chippie on Mega Chippie channel. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21, you're working.
Excellent, off we go.
Yep, roger that.
This is a trade repair and the dealer's going to deal with the lamp which is out, and it's come as a chassis, so we've got no case.
Alright, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger Dodger, and on this radio there's no tone control.
Roger that.
So we'll just amend this to 400 milliwatts.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station and it's shut.
Roger on that. We're just a few minutes late, aren't we?
About 16, but yeah.
Roger.
Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Passing the top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford.
Roger got you at the top of the hill. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over. Roger, that got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, and that got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on
Colt 295A from 1982. He's doing a full 4 watt output over.
Yep, roger that. All received.
Roger.
Right, we're now square wheeled at Wilsford level crossing.
You're not often square wheeled there.
No. Right, we're now going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger, diddly dodger. We'll probably be waiting for you at the next level crossing.
It won't, because we'll be doing the 5 mile test and that's going to waste about 3 minutes.
Yeah.
We're only doing 50 anyway, it's a bit foggy out tonight.
Oh, Roger. Trouble with having the CCTV cameras here, they're infrared and they cut through the fog.
That's right, probably won't show up on the shutter. Did I say shut up? Anyway, so it probably won't show up on the dashcam footage either.
No, Roger.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Grayleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. Sorry, we're at the 5 mile point.
Well, got a frog in the radio there. Okay, we're at the 5 mile point, so I'm on this Colt 295A. So it has high-low power, whereas the 295 without the A has high-low RF gain. Drawing 900 milliamps, doing full 4-watt output, rated from 1982, and it's on a standard replacement line. Here we go with low power, 54321. Now we're doing 400 milliwatts, rated for 420 milliamps to do that. So we go from 400 milliwatts back to full power, and there we are at full power over.
Yep, Roger, got you on both. Very noisy though today on low power.
Roger on that, but twice the power it was yesterday, you see. Weather conditions.
Roger.
Off you go when you're ready.
Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger.
Well, we've only just missed this train because traffic's at a standstill.
Right, so you're not quite square wheeled, you're probably angular wheeled.
Yeah, something like that. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going over Rauceby level crossing. Over. Yeah, 153.7 and 65.9, if that's what you were asking.
What's asking? I forgot to ask. How stupid. Apparently your tape's run out in the camcorder, so this bit will be single-sided from your end.
Alright, there you go.
Okay then, so thanks for that. That worked absolutely beautifully.
Roger that, 10-10.
Okay, so the camcorder ran out of memory whilst he was at the crossing, so you didn't get the bit from this end as we usually do. So that worked absolutely beautifully, and we'll go over to our base station. I say the dealer will deal with the meter, and I said made a really nice set. So we'll see what it sounds like on our standard replacement mic and into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing the Colt 295A into our Midland base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll pop it on low power just as a home test. There we are on 400 milliwatts. Testing 1, 2, 3 and back to full power. So there we have it, another nice set once again. And we've got another one from the same customer, but I've not opened the box yet, so I've no idea what it is. So that's going to be a surprise for us all. I want to do that gramophone record tomorrow. We're going to do the American 1976 one. Thanks for watching.